all about RUUD Variable Speed HVAC units. Are you tired of dealing with fluctuating indoor temperatures and high energy bills in Spring, Texas? RUUD Variable Speed HVAC units might be the answer you've been searching for. Unlike traditional systems, RUUD Variable Speed HVAC units can run at lower speeds for longer periods, maintaining a steady temperature and improving overall comfort while producing less noise. One of the key benefits of RUUD's technology is its ability to reduce energy consumption, leading to significant savings on your utility bills. Additionally, the advanced filtration systems in RUUD units also enhance indoor air quality by capturing more dust, pollen, and other allergens. Investing in a RUUD Variable Speed HVAC unit is not just about comfort and savings, it's also about reliability and long-term performance. Contact Bruce Mech Air Conditioning and Heating today at 713-903-8303 to learn more and schedule a consultation.